here's a little tutorial to help you with a really cool, funky jazz song called Chamaeleon. First, I just want you to clap with me. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. Let's do that maybe 4 times around. And count 1, 2, 3, bop, bop, bop. 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and count 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, so the next step is to get on the 6th string, 3rd fret, okay? Just like the first string is E, F, F sharp, G, 6th string is the same, E, F, F sharp, G, okay? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to avoid having to move your hand, okay? If you have the right size guitar, the right posture, should be pretty easy to go. Bum, 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 bum. And now the 5th string. Now instead of clapping, we're going to play these 4 notes. I'm going to count to 3 and then play da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 5th string, da, da, da. 1, 2, 6th string, 1, 2, 5th, da, da. 1, 2, 6th, 1, 2, 5th, da, da, da. I'm going a little fast. You can pause the video and try it again. Now, the next part of the song, someone else can play this. You don't have to do both these parts, but I want to show it to you anyway. So we're going to get on the 3rd string, 1st fret. 3rd string, G, 1st fret. What's the name of that note? What is it? What is it? What's the other name of that note? Well, this note is G sharp or A flat. Okay, so we're calling it A flat for this song. So I want you to play A flat, B flat. Okay, so it's A flat, A sharp or B flat, and then B. So basically it's 1st finger, 3rd finger, and then it's going to be 3rd finger, 2nd finger. That's almost a D, but it's a D flat. Same as C sharp. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, da, da, bump, da, 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 A flat, B flat, da, da, keep your finger there, B flat, D flat, da, 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 A flat, B, ba, da, da, B flat, D flat. Now when I'm going A flat to B flat, I don't take my hand off and then go back to the B flat. Okay, we want to be efficient with our movement, so bum, bum, hold it. Good. You can stop that and work on that if you need a minute. If you're ready to do both parts at once, this is a little bit more advanced, book 2, definitely book 3 level. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, da, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, so it's 6th string, dun, dun, then the 5th string, bum, bum. I'll try to keep it nice and slow so you can practice along with me. I'm counting to 3, then I'm starting the bass. 1, 2, 3, da, 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 da. I can do B flat, D flat there, or B flat, D flat there. I like doing it here. But for the beginners in book 1, you can go ba, 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 ba. Okay, so those are the 2 parts for, what was the name of the song? Chamaeleon by Herbie Hancock. It's an old funky jazz tune, okay? There's a couple other parts that go like this. You can stop there, but if you're book 3, I want you to try to figure this melody out. Okay, so I'm starting in the 4th position, but I'm playing the 6th fret. Not A, but A sharp or B flat. Shift to the 6th fret. Do that again. Ready, and fourth finger. Let's do that again. Fourth position, third finger, A sharp, B flat. Ready, and shift. Fourth finger. Here's a cool part, slur. I'll do that 3 more times, see if you can figure it out. Just the slur part for now. So it goes da 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 da. Again. Da 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 da. Again. Da 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 da. Here I go. I'm going to do that whole melody. A little slower. Try to follow along if you're ready. 1, 2, 3, and shift. Shift. And I didn't show you those 2 notes, right? It's almost the high E, but it's E flat. I'll do it again. Ready, and so that happens during this. Da, 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 da. It goes. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, so it's a super funky song. I look forward to playing it with you all soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Google Herbie Hancock Chamaeleon or find it on YouTube. Super great song. Have fun.